In this video, I'll show you how to update games on PS5 Pro. All you have to do is, at the homepage, simply hover on the game that you'd like to update. So let's say, for instance, this particular game. Then all you have to do is press the options button on your controller. And then from the options that appear, select check for update. And then in case there's an update available, you should see a brief description of what it's all about. For me, this game is updated, so the game or app you have installed is in the latest version. So you can do the same for all the other games that are currently available. So let's say, for instance, Where Winds Meet, select that, and then choose check for update. And if there's an update available, you can simply select go to downloads and uploads, and now the update will be downloaded on your PS5 Pro. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.